I want to make Windows 10 appear more like earlier versions of Windows. Is it possible to put an icon for my computer on my desktop? Yes, that is possible. My computer or this PC icon lets users access the computer's storage devices besides other things. Just follow our easy step in this video, to show my computer or this PC icon to the desktop PC. Click Start menu on lower left of the screen. And then click Setting Gear icon. In Settings windows appear, choose Personalization. Click the Theme section Settings. It will open the theme setting for your PC. On your right side of your screen, there is setting group called Related Settings. Choose the desktop icons settings, to add this PC or my computer icon to your desktop PC. Under desktop icons, place a tick next to computer. Click Apply and then click OK to save the changes. This PC icons will then appear on your desktop and you can then sort them whatever way you may like. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like this video. Don't forget to visit our social media also. Subscribe to this channel for more interesting tutorials.